Okay, so I've got the old rubber brake line removed and replaced with the Galfer stainless steel line. Looks like that. And next step is to fill up the system with brake fluid. And specifications state DOT4, which I've got. And just one thing about this rear brake setup, there's two bleed points here. Let's see, one here. It's hard to see some proper light there. Get a pointer here. Let's see. There's one back there. One here in front. So we'll need to bleed the air out of the system. That's accomplished by making use of the pedal here. And making sure all the air comes out when you pump it. You don't see any air bubbles in the fluid streams. And refer to your service manual for the proper procedure on that. So yeah, and there's one thing to mention about this particular, the OEM bolt here. It was seized pretty good, and it's awkward to get at. And I started to round that bolt, trying to get it loosened. So that's a bad thing. So I stopped, take a step back, and I soaked it with penetrating oil, let it sit for a while. Then it got loosened, no problem. So things like that happen when you're doing mechanical work. Just from experience, take the proper course of action. That would have been not good if that was rounded. Anyhow, yeah, it's back together. Just got to put the steel piece back on. It's no big deal, pretty simple. And it's ready to go for a test run. Thanks for watching.